All right, as I said at the end of the video, I'm going to go over evaporation. So basically, you have energy in the water, there's molecules. As things get heated up and there's different things going on, molecules get released. Eventually enough get released that it actually creates a humid layer over the top, kind of like a blanket that'll slow or stop the evaporation. So depending on the temperature of the day, you can swing widely on what it is. If you have waterfalls, if you have a lot of upward movement on the water, like if you have your returns pointed up because you like to see the water move, that's going to break that cloud layer and it will increase evaporation. Any waterfall, anywhere where water is falling through the air, it's going to vaporize a little bit quicker. If it's a windy day, it's going to blow that humid layer off of there. I have pools, we service a lot of pools. We have some that seem like they just never lose water, and we have others that'll literally lose a half an inch in a day. So there really is no rule of thumb, a quarter inch. If it's less than a quarter inch, you're good. A leak is a leak no matter what it is. I hope you found this helpful, and if you know anyone that could possibly use it, feel free to share the video, like and subscribe. We'll be doing a lot of stuff. God bless you. Have a great day.